Today I'm going to show you a feature that you may not know exists on your Avata 2 that allows you to fly it underneath low objects in normal mode. As I'm sure you're already familiar with the fact that when you take off with your Avata 2, it's going to automatically hover at 0.3 meters off of the ground. Normally that's not a problem until you want to fly underneath something that's lower than 0.3 meters. Now, you can do that in manual mode with the Avata 2. You can also do that in manual mode with the DJI Avata. But with the Avata 2, DJI has given us a new feature which allows us to fly at any height off of the ground or just skim right across the surface of the ground. And that's called landing protection. Now, the way that we activate landing protection, or actually in this case we're going to deactivate landing protection, is we go into the menu on our goggles here. So let's go ahead and jump into the goggles. And the first thing we want to do is push down on the joystick, and we'll go into settings, and then safety, and then advanced safety settings. And what I usually do is I turn on emergency propeller stop. What emergency propeller stop does gives you the ability to move your sticks down and out or down and in. That will automatically turn the propellers off instantly, no matter if you're in flight in midair or if it's fetched up underneath a tire on a truck here. Now, the next thing that we want to do is we want to turn off the landing protection, and that's going to give us the ability to take off and hover at any height or fly underneath an object. Now, the problem is when landing protection's off, the auto landing is not going to work. So you need to be careful of that if you take off like we are here, and you just push the stick down the way you normally do, it's going to bounce the Avata right off the ground. So you want to practice taking off and landing slowly when this feature is deactivated like we've done here today. Now, the emergency propeller stop is going to stay active the whole time, and the landing protection will be deactivated the next time you power cycle your Avata here without any problem, which is kind of a good thing, but I like actually having it disabled because you can land the quad a little faster. So now you have the ability to fly underneath some objects here. What I'm going to do is leave you with some video that I filmed flying underneath my truck here. And if you've gotten this far in the video, if you could give me a like or a good old thumbs up there, and maybe subscribe to the channel for more content, I'd certainly appreciate it. Let me leave you with these shots. I've got one real cool one here where I go down and actually fly straight underneath the truck. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.